Baton Rouge, Louisiana. A woman reported that a strange visitor came to her house at almost 5:30 a.m. and rang her doorbell. The homeowner said, "Unknown man rung my doorbell at 5 a.m. He said he was supposed to come to my house. When I asked him to do what, he hesitated and said he didn't know. He got an attitude, walked off and got in his car. He was definitely doing something he had no business doing. The police were called."
Can I help you?
Is this 1002?
It is.
Okay, I was supposed to come here
To do what?
for, I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, never mind.
I was starting to think he got catfished or something, but who goes on a date at 5:30 in the morning? Weird stuff here. Very weird.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.